Alright, g'day guys, welcome back to the channel. I am back at the shed and I've been doing a little bit of cleaning. I actually have an interview here tomorrow for the Advertiser magazine or something like that. So I decided to come here and tidy it up and make it look half decent. I suppose I've had the Monaro at home and they've been doing the paving at home, so it's quite filthy, but I just wanted to jump on here and just going to do a few things with the Monaro, but it's too hot to do anything with it, to change the catch cans out because of we've actually got two going here at the moment, and for some reason this one here has melted. So I actually got one online the other day, which is a 2 litre one, and hopefully this will do a little bit better job and won't melt, so that's good. Also wanted to show you guys my new tees, and now Mads is wearing one as well, and she is here and she's going to just show you my tee. This is a new tee. This is the new new symbol I've come up with, just DWD, a little bit in. Actually Maddie came up with this one, so she helped me with that. Also got it in white, so and I've got Maddie here to show. These are unisex tees for women as well. So she's got on a medium at the moment, which is a bigger fit, pretty long, but it's still good. So yeah, she wears those for me, and she's also got a small. But yeah, also I've finally got some tyres on the wheels that I got for the F truck, and I'm going to get into that soon. So next video will hopefully be me putting on either the clutch or the brakes for the F truck. But here's a quick look at the wheels, if you can see that. So they're the BCI Steelies. The front are 8.5, and the rears are 9.5, I'm pretty sure. I don't know what tyres they are on it. I just got some cheapies thrown on it, and that's them. So they look all right. And got Mad in a small. So this is a small of the white, which is also one of my favourites. So these ones are actually my favourite tees at the moment. Mads has helped me with the design, pretty much came up with it. So yeah, pretty stoked with them. They will be on my Etsy store by the time this video hits, so go check them out. But yeah, I'm not sure what else we're going to do in this video, but yeah, that's about it at the moment. Also got some HX stuff coming to you guys as well. I know there's been a few people commenting, asking about where that is at. Now I've been sent some photos from my dad. He's over there at Parkside, in Parks at the moment, and he sent me some photos. So underneath has been painted, the chassis back, no, the cab's back on the chassis, or the body I should say, and the firewall and all underneath has been painted, and it looks amazing. I can't wait to show you guys. And so also got to get the billet block underway, get the so go and sort that out. There's just a few other things I've got to get done before I can go and pick that up. I've got the pistons and rods here. So yeah, I mean that's sort of getting there, but I'm pretty keen to get that sort of underway. So, which is pretty exciting because I want that car here mid-year, and I want to be able to work on that and start throwing that together, because that's going to be a killer car and I cannot wait for that. But yeah, this video might just be a little update of what I have going on. I seem to be doing that a lot, but I've been flat out with footy just around the corner again, and yeah, with everything else I sort of haven't really had a chance to do too much work here at the shed. So 4 days off coming up next week, so hopefully I'll be able to smash out a good chunk of the F truck with the brakes and whatnot, and go check on the cab and see where that is at, and see how far along they go. Those guys have only been sort of just tinkering away at that, maybe 1 week, a month, just to sort of keep the ball rolling on it and get a little bit done. But yeah, Where are we up to? The Monaro, the wheels that I have, the tyres I should say, that I've just picked up, because I thought I was going to be going to roll racing on the 20th, but turns out that is the weekend of round 1 and I'll be in Melbourne, so bit of a shame with that. Car might be going anyway if Sean and Mick can convince me to let them take it. Maybe, it's a big maybe. They're into me about taking it because both their cars are off the road, so you never know, they might get a gig. But yeah, so this time I've gone for the ET Street R, the 275/40 R17s. Yeah, just because Mick told me to. That said, that'll probably hook up a little bit better. These ones, I mean, I think they've still got a little bit of life left in them. Not a whole lot, I don't think. That's probably the worst I've seen them after coming off the track. So yeah, but I'll probably get them put on next week, I'd say. But yeah, that's where we're at so far with Monaro. I might let Mad take it for a drive. We might go for a drive and give it a quick wash and see how she... I wanted to get her to drive it when it was manual because she's grown up driving manuals. Her car's manual, and that'd be pretty cool to see her drive this. But it's auto now, so I have to wait till the truck's finished and then she can hum around in that. But yeah, we might go give this a quick wash because I am doing a podcast tonight and going to take this. Yeah, so that's where we're up to at the moment with the channel. I'm pretty excited about the stuff I've got going on with the HX. That's going to be an amazing build, and the attention to detail that Adam's been going to on this build is sort of above and beyond what I'd even imagined. So we're flying along with that. Monaro's race ready. It's good. Just going to change that catch can over whenever I can. And yeah, going to get slip into the F truck as well. So we're cruising at the minute. And yeah, let me know what you think about the new designs. I'm going to have some hoodies and also some hats. I'm still in the process of working that out. Also kid stuff, I'm going to do that. My next run of clothes will be kid stuff. So let me know in the comment if you want your little tackers running around in my gear. So yeah. Let's see if Mad wants to go for a cruise. And another thing, yeah, I'm just changing the muscle tee because it's hot. I'm not going to wear that tee later tonight. But another thing, the guys next door in the gym has moved out, and this space has, yeah, come open to possibly rent. It is significantly more money. I have been looking for another shed to rent, but prices are through the roof, even though I'm paying a pretty good price here, but still it's quite a lot. So I'm speaking to a mate, and he's going to come have a look tomorrow and see if he'd be interested in helping out with the rent, possibly taking the whole thing. So yeah, but yeah, looking around at what there is at the moment, nothing sort of seems to be under 30,000 annually, plus outgoing. So that's, a lot of money, and I'm well and truly under that here. And I can't justify spending any more money than that because it's basically storage. I mean, I'm not really making a lot of money out of my YouTube channel. So yeah, it's basically all out of pocket. But yeah, so I mean, just going through my business, but the business is flinging a couple of shirts here and there. So yeah, I mean, ticking along here, all right. But yeah, I'd love to get a hoist and be able to, yeah, have a bit more space and get a couple more cars in here, hopefully, and be able to work solely out of here and not have to go steal a hoist at Pavlou's. And as much as they love helping me out and that, they've got a business to run, so it'd be awesome to be able to have a little bit more space. So yeah, but that's where I'm at the moment. Obviously got a heap of crap from the house, which needs to get sold or out of here. So anyone needs a washing machine or a bed, I've got 2 washing machines, let me know. But yeah, potentially we could have a lot more space, a lot more cars as well. So obviously easily fit a hoist in here, and yeah, a few more cars for storage, and got a bathroom for it. So I'm not going down the servo or going in the bushes, which is good. So it's another day and I'm at my house. Finally got the pavers finished and the Naro's here, and I am going to change this catch can setup for obvious reasons. As you can see, like I said earlier, she's melted and all done. So, and I've got this, I'm pretty sure it's a Chinese knockoff one. Not a knockoff, just Chinese, but it only needs to sort of catch the overflow of water and we'll be good. So just gonna take a few things off here. Where we going here? That one goes over there, and this one down here. So that one that runs down to the bottom of this one, just holding my nutserts, and yeah, we can go from there. So we're sweet. Let's do it. Alright, so I've got it in. I've made a bit of a show of it, as usual, but I'm going to have to get some different fittings, because some just bigger hose, because these are quite large for that. So, well, I'll probably have to just get smaller fittings to go in there. I managed to get one of the old catch can ones off, and one of these at the bottom there, got that off, and yeah, got it on there. It's, yeah, that'll be it there. Anything is, I'm not 100% sure on this because I can't get to the tap at the bottom, but it's pretty cheap, so I mean I can't expect too much, but that'll do for now, and then I will try to find something else in the meantime. But yeah, I just thought I'd get that melted one out there, because she's pretty sad looking. But yeah, this thing's got like a, I didn't realise when I bought it, and I didn't see that it had like a rubber tube on the outside of it here. You can see that just there, and that's next to the turbo manifold, like the exhaust manifold. So let's see how long that lasts, which I reckon it won't be long at all, but yes. Anyway, it's in, it'll work for now, but we will get something else. I'm thinking maybe getting something long to go in here, and then it's an easy sort of reach around here and get the little, get the tap, and it runs straight from there into there, and then we'd be sweet. But that one was like 30 bucks, 40 bucks or something like that. So on eBay, and I was here within the week, so not bad at all really. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna play footy tomorrow. So yeah, it's all come around pretty quick. But yeah, I might end that clip there, and hopefully next week we'll get into the F-Truck stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. There's some big stuff coming with the HX and the F-Truck, so stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and hit the little bell so you know when I'm posting. Cheers.